What's going on, everybody? So today I want to talk about something that absolutely nobody on YouTube is talking about. Well, they're talking about it to an extent, but that's filing complaints with the CFPB, the Better Business Bureau, and the Attorney General's office. So this video is really for CROs who are running their own credit repair business, but I've had a ton of Zoom calls with attorneys the past couple of weeks, and one of the things that they have been stressing is to stop doing these complaints on the consumer's behalf. So we no longer do CFPB complaints, BBB complaints, or Attorney General Office complaints, just because we want to be as compliant as we can. The FTC is going to start cracking down on this. Now, I know a lot of companies don't care about that kind of stuff, but here at Everything Credit, we do. We care about being as compliant as possible. We don't want to get anybody in trouble. We want to do things the right way. So as of today, we are no longer doing CFPB complaints, BBB complaints, or Attorney General Office complaints. If y'all have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great night.